morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So markets in the grains are lower. Beans down about 4 cents, making new lows on the January at 11.20. March corn 4.34 minus 2 cents, and March wheat 5.33 minus 6 cents. Outside markets, the stocks are mixed, but mostly slightly higher, led by the NASDAQ. You've got the dollar lower, crude lower, and gold also lower. Again, when you factor in all that's going on in the U.S. financial markets, you can see that, number one, the Fed may not lower rates at their December meeting. Number two, when we look at the grains, we're seeing a higher world supply of corn, beans, and wheat than the demand. And you're starting out with South American crop conditions mostly favorable. There will be some pockets of dry weather in central Brazil and possibly parts of Argentina. But overall, you're looking at more supply. And as far as buyers are concerned, they have cheaper wheat out of Argentina. They have cheaper wheat out of Black Sea. They've got corn out of South America, possibly corn out of Ukraine. They also have soybeans out of Brazil. Brazil soybeans to most buyers is much cheaper than the U.S. And we have this thing hanging over the soybean market of this trade deal that was made between the two presidents of U.S. and China, and that China promised to buy U.S. beans. Well, they bought probably maybe 2.5 million tons to date, but that's not the 12 million tons that they were supposedly made a deal for. And so when we look at the 26-27 U.S. carryouts, we could see soybean acres going up, corn acres going down, and wheat acres going down, but we could see the carryouts for corn, soybeans going higher, while wheat might go a little bit lower. All of that is dependent upon weather and crop conditions, but we're still seeing a lot of competition for U.S. exports from other countries. So basically, you are starting to see a bear market in corn and beans, and the wheat has a lot of competition for other exports. So we'll see how much further we see as far as liquidation of the December contracts going into the holiday on Thursday. We have a short date on Friday, and then we'll come back next Monday and start trading South American weather and looking at China and how much beans they're buying from the United States.